Hey guys, today's lesson is titled Something to Chew On. The article that we will be reviewing takes place in Mexico City, Mexico, which is part of the North American continent. Vocabulary. Litter. To make a place messy by leaving pieces of trash behind. Pollution. Things that hurt or dirty the water, air, or ground. Sidewalk. A walkway along the side of a street. Square yard, something that is 3 feet by 3 feet in size. Steam cleaner, a machine that uses steam from very hot water to clean things. Let's read the article. What happens to old chewing gum? Sometimes people drop it on the sidewalk. This is a problem in Mexico City. Why is this a problem? Some of the sidewalk cities are 700 years old. Not long ago, the city fixed up these sidewalks. Now the sidewalks are littered with gum. How much gum is there? About 70 blobs in each square yard. Cleaning up the gum is hard. Also, it costs a lot. City leaders have a plan. They want to clean up chewing gum pollution. They are cleaning sidewalks with steam cleaners. They are also asking people to put old gum in the trash. Now let's answer some questions together. Since leaders in Mexico City want to keep old chewing gum off of the sidewalks, then let's think about what fits best in the empty box above. Leaders in Mexico City want to keep old chewing gum off the sidewalks. Then there are about 70 blobs of old gum in each square yard. Since leaders in Mexico City want to keep old chewing gum off the sidewalks, city leaders are asking people to put old gum in the trash. Since leaders in Mexico City want to keep old chewing gum off the sidewalks, then city leaders fixed up the sidewalks not long ago. Since leaders in Mexico City want to keep old chewing gum off the sidewalks, then sometimes people walk on the 700-year-old sidewalks. Okay, so think about the box that is filled in. Leaders in Mexico City want to keep old chewing gum off the sidewalks. Then how can they solve that problem? There are about 70 blobs of old gum in each square yard. While that is true, that is not going to keep gum off of the sidewalks. City leaders are asking people to put old gum in the trash. That is true. That is part of the solution. Besides them cleaning it up, they're also asking for people to help keep them clean. The city leaders fixed up the sidewalks not long ago. No. I mean, they did, but it doesn't go with the first box that's filled out. Sometimes people walk on the 700-year-old sidewalks. That also will not help with them keeping the gum off. The only thing that will help keep old chewing gum off the sidewalks is asking people to put old gum in the trash. That is the only thing that is going to help keep old chewing gum off of the sidewalks. Which of these is an opinion? Remember, an opinion is how you feel, what you think. It is what is inside your heart and your head. It's not a fact, cannot be proven, and your opinion could differ from somebody else's. Which of these is an opinion? It takes time to clean old chewing gum off the sidewalks. Well, we know that that is a fact because they have to scrape it up, they have to clean it with the steam cleaners, they have to fix them up. takes a while, and it takes time and it takes money. Mexico City should not let people chew gum at all. I mean, that could be your opinion. It costs money to clean old gum off sidewalks. No, we know that it takes a lot of money. Mexico City uses steam cleaners to get up old gum. Well, we know that too, because the article told us, right? And you can always refer to the article down here. So Mexico City should not let people chew gum at all is an opinion. You cannot force people not to chew gum. Okay, so then you will do the rest of the questions by yourself. Remember to fill out the thought question. Think about the news story. Leaders are trying to fix a problem with gum. What else could be done to fix this problem? You can look at the news story for help, and you can use your own ideas too.